What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news about this company and with two more predictions from different analysts about the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and my forecast for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point about a week ago, and I've told you that we had this previous trend line. As you can see, I connect all the bottoms right here, and right here. And we had a reaction. First of all, we almost hit it with this price action. Then we had some kind of reaction from this point, but still we broke this line to the upside, and we had a 55 exponential moving average, this yellow line, as a resistance, and we had the reaction from this line. So I've told you that we might hover for quite some time in between the levels of $15.5 and $14, and basically it happened. And for now I have to say that it is again very good point to enter, to accumulate your position for the long term with this company. So, and I will share my thoughts about technical movements of this stock in a matter of several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamentals of SOFI. Let's start with the company profile. Social Finance, a finance company, operates an online platform that provides financial services. It offers student loan refinancing, private student loans, personal loans, auto loans refinance, home loans, mortgage loans, and investments, as well as insurance products for renters, homeowners, automobiles, and others. And this company has a total market cap of $12.15 billion. It has a revenue of almost $800 million with a negative net income of $468.37 million. They have very good revenue growth of 27.76%, and they have a pretty good cash position of $461.92 million. So, from the financial standpoint, I have to say that this company is rather stable. The only concern is right here, their negative net income. But I have to say that a lot of companies like these, high-tech companies that are basically in startup mode. So, and this company for now tries to have the biggest possible market in their industry. And that is why they have negative net income. So let's continue with some projections, and first of all, let's start with this one. On September 14th, we have this article that was published on the Seeking Alpha, and it's titled "SOFI Technology Stock Rises After Mizuho Issues a New Buy Rating." And let me quote you these bullets. SOFI Technology stock gains 1.5% in after-hours trading after Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev initiates coverage of the digital financial services firm with a buy rating as it morphs into a full-fledged mobile-first super app neobank with in-house next-gen issuing capabilities, Galileo. And he said, "We believe this could accelerate a virtuous cycle of increased engagement, boosting revenue and profits. Sets target price at $28 based on 9x 2023 sales, implying a 93 upside potential based on Tuesday closing price. The analyst sees a path to 40% sales compound annual growth rate by 2025, primarily due to a 150% compound annual growth rate in financial services and 40 to 50% in Galileo." So very good projection, in my opinion, $28. Let's keep a mark on this number. Next one, SOFI Technology stock slips after Credit Suisse assigns neutral rating. And right here we have Timothy Chiodo. He started to cover this company, and he said, "As a one-stop shop US neobank, SOFI has repositioned itself to enable deposit, card accounts and investing after being concentrated for much of the first decade of its existence." And he sets a price target of 16.5%, implying upside potential of 6.7% from Wednesday's close. And for now, even 16.5%, let me show it to you, from our current price, has a potential of about 14% of potential profits. So And we have one more projection on Yahoo Finance, and it was published on September 13th, and it's titled SOFI Technologies looks cheap thanks to market overreaction. And this projection was made with the DCF method. It is discounted cash flow model, and let me show you right here that they have a target price of $51.35, and it is much higher than the current price of even 15.29, as you can see right here. But if we compare it with our price, we have much more gains to this level, and it might be about 247% of potential profits. So I think it is a very optimistic forecast, and I will show you in my technical analysis why I'm thinking so. But for now, let's take a look on some negative points about this company. So we have this article that was published on Investor Place, and it's titled "Investors should be cautious on SOFI stock." And the main idea of this article is right here. Let me quote you just two paragraphs. Revenues aren't the same as profits, and last quarter one milestone, to use the CEO's word, which SOFI didn't achieve, was profitability. Despite generating around $231 million of net revenues, the company ended up with a net earnings loss of roughly $165.3 million. So I partially agree with this statement, because usually for the financial services you have to be profitable from the day one. But in this case, I think it is quite new business model, and they have a lot of upside potential, and they have very promising competitive advantage, that they have a lot of products, and their customer acquisition cost is extremely low compared to their competitors. So, and let me show you TipRank's projections. And last time we had only two analysts who covered this stock, but for now we have two more, and all of them suggest to buy. And right here we can find the new target price of $16.5, and it is this projection of Credit Suisse. And the highest price is the same, about $30 price point. So I think it is quite good point where you can start to accumulate your position with the SOFI, because a lot of analysts, and I'm in this list, suggest to enter the position with the good target prices. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you right here that we have two major levels that we shouldn't break, and this is our previous swing low, this one and this one. And in my opinion, these levels should hold, and in this case we will have next movement to the upside, and we will hit our first targets. On top of that, as you can see right here, we have very good volume, and this volume is much higher than the volume right here, because at the point where this company became public, we had a lot of rumors and a lot of FOMO, and that is why not so many institutional owners added their position right here. And for now we have much higher volume. This means we are at the point of interest from institutional investors, and that is why they added their position right here. So let me show you the list of institutional owners, and among this list we have more green rows than the red ones, and this indicates that a lot of institutional owners still buy the stocks of this company. And I have to say that these filings has a delay of more than 45 days, and the average price of latest filings right here is around $18.1 to $19.1, and that is highly above our current price. So that is why, if you already done your own due diligence, you can accumulate your position right here at around $15 or lower, and this will give you potential profits to our first target, and it will be this previous swing high of more than 20%. Our second target at this previous swing high will be more than 71%. And in my opinion, we should achieve first target by the end of this year easily, and the second target might be hit by Q2 2022. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys on yours next time. Bye!